Situated on its own 14-acre plot sits this beautiful home with its own 2.75-acre spring-fed lake. The grounds of this home are spectacular. Welcome to Lakeside. The home was originally built in 1978 and has been beautifully remodelled and extended in 2004-2005. It's comprising of 6 bedrooms, all with their own ensuite, and incredible views over the lake. Stepping into the home, you very quickly realise it's just as impressive inside as it is outside. One of the standout features of this home is this 1 of 5 staircase by artist Philip Watts. My favourite part of the home, the kitchen, by award-winning designer Simon Bray, just captivating this outside to inside space, floating island. It's incredible. With floor-to-ceiling windows overlooking the extensive grounds, this bright and airy, tranquil space is the perfect spot to relax and unwind in. The current owners have a screen and projector installed, seamlessly turning this amazing space into your own private cinema. Stepping into the bright and airy study, you have double doors opening out onto the expansive grounds overlooking the lake. The first floor offers 6 generous bedrooms, each with their own ensuite bathroom. The principal suite and second bedroom both come with their own private sauna. Entering the principal bedroom, you've got space for your own gym, 2 separate dressing areas, the sauna as mentioned, and a primary bathroom suite. Secluded and tranquil, yet convenient, with Toaster High Street just 5 minutes away. The M1 motorway is 10 minutes, and Central Milton Keynes within 20 minutes, meaning everything is still on your doorstep. However, you're in the middle of rolling countryside. One of the added benefits of this home as well is the current owner has an agreement with Virgin Balloons in order to be able to take off from one of your parcels of land here, and they also allow you to ride for free if somebody isn't able to make their allotted time. Just like these guys.